Hey, what's going on, guys? I have to film this. It's the craziest thing in the world. You see that robin over there? He has a serious problem with me. I don't know what I did, but I just parked my car here. Alright, here's the story. I parked my car, and I noticed there was some bird crap in the door. So I went over and I cleaned it off. And I went about my day. I'm spending Easter with my family. And I came back outside, and there was bird crap in the same spot. So I cleaned it again. Went back inside, came outside. Guess what? Bird crap in the same spot. Now this car was completely clean maybe like an hour ago. I come back outside, and there's massive bird crap all over the door. So I'm filming this now, because like I said, I don't know what the deal is. He has a nest up in the the bush over there. So I don't know if he's being territorial or what. But I'm gonna just set the camera up and let it roll. So I don't know what he's doing out here, but it's just really strange. And I'm tired of cleaning this crap off the car. So let's just see what he's up to. I'm gonna go inside because he won't come down here, by me when I'm out here. So that's it. I'm gonna film it. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, what the hell are you doing? Good Lord. Alright, I'm cleaning some of this off. I don't want to sit in here. But watch, you see. I'm going to clean this crap off. Alright, what's he going to do? He's going to come right back. And he's going to crap on it again. I don't know what this bird's deal is. He's pissing me off. Maybe he's seeing his reflection and thinking there's something in there. I don't know. I have no idea. All I know is I don't want bird crap in my car. Alright, let's check it out. It's cleaned off. Alright. Dry it a little bit here. Because bird crap's acidic too. I don't want it sitting on the paint, obviously. Let's see what happens. Alright, so again, I'm going to go inside for a little bit. Guaranteed, he's going to come over here and pop a squat. I don't know why, but I have the feeling. So I'll see you guys probably in like maybe 10-15 minutes. Alright, so it is the next day. The car was over there in that little nook, and now it's over here. So, and it's raining. I don't see anything. Oh, what the hell? Is that the bird right there? Where is he? I see him moving around in there. Jesus Christ. Look at this.